Welcome to Gun Fu Training. My name is Jeff, and today we're going to discuss the importance of ongoing training for private security. Quite often, private security has the reputation of being less than law enforcement, less than military, less than in terms of both the quality and quantity of training they receive. And I can tell you that that's not entirely true. In the 5 years that I taught defensive tactics for a local private security academy, I had over 700 students. And in that time, about 50% of those folks were in fact former law enforcement or former military. Still, the other 50% came to the profession with very little background in either firearms, defensive tactics, or even having taken any martial arts when they were younger. And it's to that 50% that our private security episodes are primarily geared, because it's my goal to educate, motivate, and moreover to really encourage you to seek out some ongoing professional instruction. If you check out the end of the video, there's always links to both of our training houses here, Texas Defensive Training and Austin Wing Chun Academy. We have a lot of different training options available. But whether you train with us or someone else, if you're in private security, please seek out some ongoing training. I remember years ago, one of the guards in the class said, "I'm not a gun guy." And that really shocked me, because if you're going to work a post and you're carrying a firearm and a baton and pepper spray and some handcuffs or perhaps a conductive energy weapon, at some point you may need to go hands-on with somebody or deploy that pepper spray or throw cuffs on somebody or, God forbid, pull out that firearm and use it. And when that happens, you don't want to tell the cops when they show up or the DA when they go to prosecute you that, sorry, I'm not a gun guy, because you are carrying a gun for a living. So in closing, I do want to encourage you guys to seek out some ongoing training, and if you do it with us, great. If you don't, get some training somewhere else. But I hope you find this channel informative. We're going to provide some training through video. We're going to provide some suggestions and some tips and some tricks and things like that. And as always, if you guys could give us some feedback, send us some comments, let us know what you'd like to see, let us know if there was something you saw that you liked, that you'd like to see more of. And as always, please subscribe, like, hit that bell icon so you're notified when more content comes out. And thanks again for watching, and have a great day.